Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher, and I'll be teaching a different question and answer in this question and answer series by class teacher. So our today's question which we'll be discussing is: CS city hires M workers who drives the water trucks. They spray water on the street to clean them and reduce the dust concentration. There are N streets in CS city. The CS has a dust control plan which uses a task shoulder to generate a daily cleaning plan. This plan tells each worker what streets they are responsible for, and ideally all streets will be clean. For example, the plan tells worker to clean a street to 02 street 3, worker B to clean street 46, and this plan will clean street 7 streets. However, the task scheduler is buggy. Today it tells worker to clean streets and tells worker B to clean streets 3 by 5. Someone realized that the worker cleaned streets 3 twice and no one cleaned the street 6. It's your job to write a program to automatically detect the task scheduler bugs and report how many streets are not cleaned into today's plan. So input format that we have here is the line contains two integers m and where m is the number of workers and n is number of streets. The following n lines are just plan generated by the task scheduler. Each line contains two integers. So li and ri indicates the worker should clean the streets li to ri, and the output format one integer representing how many streets have not been cleaned. So sample. So the answer of the question is a Python program that I have written for you to detect the task scheduler's bugs and report and how many streets are not cleaned into plans. So you can just stop the video and check it out. If you still have any other question, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next